Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with the topic of parallel circuit with respect to the supply voltage as AC. What is meant by parallel circuit? If the elements are, this is element 1, this is element 2 till sum up to En element I am considering elements are connected. The starting terminal of each element is at one point and ending of the terminal are connected at another end. Now it is treated as parallel circuits. Okay, so few important references we need to learn about the parallel circuit. What is admittance of a circuit? Admittance, where in series circuits, in series circuits we are treating an impedance, impedance, whereas in parallel network we are dealing with admittance. What I mean by admittance? It is the reciprocal of the impedance, means it is denoted with the capital Y. It is the reciprocal of the impedance, means 1 upon Z. It is denoted with the Y. In general form, the impedance in the complex form is R plus JXL. So assume R Z is equal to R plus JXL. What do you mean by Y? 1 upon Z, 1 upon R plus JX. So in order to uh, get a real and imaginary term, we have rationalize each numerator and denominator with respect to R minus JX. Okay, R minus JX upon R square plus X square. How this get in confusion? A plus IB into A minus IB. We will get A square plus B square. Similar fashion, 1 upon R plus Zx. I am multiplying with numerator and denominator with R minus Jx, R minus Jx. So R plus Jx into R minus Jx. We will get R square plus X square. R minus Jx upon R square plus X square is equal to, what is meant by R square plus X square? It is written as Z square, R minus Jx. R upon Z square minus Jx upon Z square. What is this? Which is written as Z. It is equal to B. What is meant by Z? It is conductance. Okay, it is called conductance. Similar manner, B is treated as susceptance. Susceptance in parallel network. So that is R minus J plus JXC is equal to Z is equal to R plus X, where Y is equal to Z minus JB. Okay. Similar fashion, if the if impedance is given as R minus Jx, the argument is Z plus JB. Okay, the polarity is changing. Please keep note in mind. Inductive reactance is expressed plus Jx and inductive susceptance is minus Jb. With capacitance reactance is minus Jx, whereas in parallel network, capacitive susceptance is plus Jb. Okay. So if Z is equal to R plus R minus Jx, is Y is equal to Z minus R plus Jb. So this is the parallel diagram, circuit diagram representation. It is Z1 and Z2 and Z3 are connected with the supply voltage is V. The total current is I. In each branch, current is treated as I1 and I2 and I3. In parallel network, the current is divided, but whereas the voltage drop each element is same. Okay. So 1 upon z is equal to 1 by z1 plus z2 plus 1 upon z3. So 1 upon z means y, admit, admit of the first element, admit of the second element, admittance of the third element. When the two or more impedances, say in the form of r plus jx, are in parallel, then equivalent admittance is sum of the individual admittances. Okay, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3. So y1 is z g1 minus jb1 for y1. For y2, g minus jb2. For y3, g3 minus jb3. So real parts and imaginary part separate chain j g minus jb. So what admittance triangle? If I'm consider y as instead of z in series network, it is z, it is r, it is ex, l, or x depends upon the nature. So what is in the z 1 upon r? What will be bl 1 upon xl? What will be y 1 upon z? So from this, cos phi is equal to, from the triangle adjacent side, this is J upon hypothesis is Y. Okay. Current through a branch, voltage across the branch upon impedance of the branch. Voltage across the branch is in parallel network, it is first branch, second branch, third branch. So the current is different, but whereas the voltage drop across the each branch is same. So that's why current through the in branch, if it is considered I1, I1 is equal to V upon Z1. This is I1 is equal to V. The total voltage of each branch is same, V upon the impedance of the first element. 1 upon Z means this can be written as V into 1 upon Z1. So 1 upon Z means it is in terms of admittance is Y1. Okay, this is derived as like this. Similar manner, I1 and I2 written as. So the total current is equal to sum of the three currents, I1 plus I2 plus I3. So V into Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. So I is equal to V into Y. Power triangle and power factor in the parallel network. If the consider I is the reference, the quadrature parameter is V into sin phi and constant parameter is V into cos phi. Okay. The power triangle is represented as like this. Similar manner, this is the active power, this is the reactive power, this is the apparent power. So active power V into I into cos phi, whereas apparent reactive power is V into I into sin phi. Apparent power is V into I. Similar as like the series networks. Okay. Thank you everyone.